Okay, hi guys. I'm outside here, Raffles MRT, and outside the 51-story skyscraper. And this is a skyscraper office and garden. Let's go check it out. So this place is called CapitaSpring, and it just opened in the second quarter of this year. So it's new to me. And I've seen some videos of and also news of it, and it's really open, so quite excited to check out this new place. Let's have a look. Yeah. Excuse me, if I'd like to go to the SkyGarden or
it's
can
in CapitaSpring Level.
Oh, not
It's
here?
Capital Green.
Oh, sorry.
So you see the building in front of us?
Yeah.
Brown building?
Yeah.
On the left.
On the left?
On the
Cross the road.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Malu. Went to the wrong place. Okay, so it's actually across. And okay, the building I'm in now is called Capital Square. So the lady told me that I have to cross over to the other side where it's called CapitaSpring. So I went to the wrong Capital. So that is Capital Green on my right, and actually on my left where CapitaSpring is. Okay, that is the right one. Okay, let's go. So you can see it from here, and then while like level 17 is kind of midway, halfway of the building where there's some garden, and then on top, level 51, there's the rooftop garden. So pretty excited to check it out. Yeah. Okay, we reached already. Okay. So Raffles Place has a lot of skyscrapers. So if one is not familiar with this area, might actually get lost and not so easy to find. But this building is quite iconic because you can see there's a lot of plants in the middle of the building. So it looks really nice already from outside. I'm always very amazed with nice buildings and architecture. So kind of like excited to check this out, even though a lot of people has already come here, but it's still like the first time for me. Let's go. Oh, look at that. It's like a wall display. Wow. What's that? Oh, okay. So take the lift to this lift only serves first 17, 20 and 51. And we are going to 17 and 20 first. And then after that we'll go level 51. Or maybe we should go level 51 first. Let's see. Level 51. Can feel the pressure going out in the ears. The lift is really going very fast. Oh. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay. which is nice. We catch the sunset. So pretty excited about this. Look at look at the cloud. You see the clouds from here? This is level 51 of Capital Green, and it's right in the middle of the central business district. And there's like restaurants over there. There's another place to view. It's really nice. Fortunately, today I come, it's not too crowded. Anyway, right now it's only open on weekdays. Okay, until like at night 10:30. So since my office is nearby, I just I come. Oh, sorry. Oh, very excited. Putting my camera out just to show you guys the view. Look at it. So there's place to do reading here. But if you come on if you come at noon, it's very hot. So I guess early morning and evening will be the best. Yeah. There's like a lone tree there. Get it? Somebody is doing vlogging. Look at it. Sorry, just a quick one. See, look at that view. It's really nice. Thank you. So everybody is like a few photographers here to get a good angle. So am I. Okay, we share. Good to share. Yeah. This is the really nice. Downstairs and see the OCBC building. Oops, sorry. Over there, go to the side. Look at that. You can see the whole of MBS. another view of the